Oh, what did I freaking say? What did I freaking say? 6 by 10. I paid $1,810 for this storage right here. Good love in the sheets. Ooh, this is getting tantalizing. If a man answers, don't hang up. This is getting deep, guys.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Oil's still clean.
You can tell the oil's clean?
Oh yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
It's clear.
Wow, so this probably just needs
Oh,
probably just
just
ready
needs
to go.
a battery.
Just maybe pull this out and scrape it up a little bit.
The spark plug, I don't know. I would fire it up.
Why does it look like almost oily here? It just
That's just, that is the gas tank right here. I would probably definitely drain
that.
Drain the old gas, yeah. Clean though. It's hella
like
clean
it.
in here. You can see all up in here. Usually, like I said, you don't see them that clean. Usually they're heck of muddy.
Scott wanted to buy that. I can't sell. He said, come on, you don't need it. No, bro. Oh, look.
Go.
How'd you do that?
Something
Oh, it's got a little tool.
Look, there goes the battery.
You don't even have a battery,
Yeah,
so
I
it just.
have one.
I just popped my new one in.
Like I said, I'd probably drain the
This looks weird. Ooh.
gas might have
It's just the flap.
the gas might have dried up.
Nice. You don't think gaskets or anything will be dried up?
No. Yeah.
Maybe a little dust, a
Not
little
too bad.
polish.
Looks like they didn't even put gas
Cables
in
all
there.
look good.
Maybe he just emptied it.
You might have. Yeah, look, there's not even gas. There's not even. You know, usually it's all nasty.
Oh yeah, no, it's clean.
He probably
clean.
drained it when he took the battery
Totally
out.
clean. Let's say they might have just got it and just took out maybe one time.
Oh, like it just. It wouldn't have hours on it somewhere or no? Don't they usually have like an hour chart?
No, there's not even a.
Well, that
screen
goes
for
just in
anything.
there like that?
Yeah, it's just a little breather,
Okay.
gas breather.
Damn. I think it's gonna be fun. It looks a little used. You could tell it was used. Like, see, wouldn't that be all black or no?
No, that's not supposed to be.
Little scratches here. Damn.
Auto repair
I think
Martinez.
you get a runner.
Yeah, I think so too. I get it too.
I'm excited.
Gas in there. Fire.
These are pretty interesting little find, guys.
Yeah,
These
they are.
They look like they were originally $190 a piece for those. And they say wheelchair restraints, but I imagine you could use them for really anything you want to tie down.
Anything you want to tie down, yeah.
Tie my quad down the back of the black booty. Got 3 of them. Believe it or not, though, these are money. I was looking them up.
They are.
Martinez. Well, somebody from Martinez.
I've
is
seen
gonna
these, I
want-
see these selling for like $200-300 for a set.
Yeah,
Chevy,
yeah, especially
the real
with a set.
deals.
This one's really nice, except for this part right here. But
Yeah.
this is you don't see these. I
Yeah,
looked
this
on
one's a,
license plates yesterday.
This one's a tab. This one has a tab 53 on there.
Oh, so underneath it's older.
You could take that. I'll put it on another car if I feel like a 53, like my car.
That one's pretty fire.
Yeah, this one is 42.
And then sadly these
That
have
was,
no pairs.
Yeah, that's where the money would be.
They're
If you
still
have
tight
pairs.
though.
Yeah, hell yeah. They're cool wall
63,
hangers.
63,
Yeah,
63.
hella cool wall hangers.
That's probably older than 53 because of that, right?
Yeah.
So it's probably
This was like wartime right here.
it's a
In
51
the 40s.
and 39. Only thing that sucks about that is eating, but it's still cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so on this one you would have to we'd have to have both.
You should just give me 500 for all of them.
Man.
That's a hell of a deal. That's a hell of a deal. That's almost half the money back right there.
Yeah, I don't know about these ones. But
This-
yeah, like I said, you got to find a Martinez.
This is probably 150.
Like I said, the only one I would use is this one because it's closer to me, Hayward.
Yeah, but then you just sell them and get yours for free. Go to your nice car shows, you sell them.
You know, the World's Fair. I think this one you got to have double though. You got to have.
All right, guys, I'm waiting to go through this one. I showed you guys this shirt. This is dang money right here. This is a Dale Earnhardt Intimidator. Right? Let me get this right here. Let's see what else we got. I've been waiting to go through this. So that's just junk. I mean, it's not junk. Somebody might like a blank vintage shirt. This is Dale Earnhardt Jr. Okay, that's not bad.
The old one.
It's empty on the back, but it's still a little bit of money. And we got a plain black shirt, so that's not nothing. Come on, be something good just laying in here. That's just a shirt. Who goes that bag in a second? Come on. Come on. Bellagio. He did like to gamble. I'm gonna probably run that one to the flea market because I don't.
Scott's still at hot and heavy.
Covington. Here we go. Here we go.
You talking?
All right, we got a NASCAR year 2000, and that's Dale Earnhardt Sr., right?
Yeah.
Which makes it way more valuable than a junior, right?
And it's vintage.
That might be over $100 right there. Let's see. Come on, be some more bangers. This next one might be cool, even though I can't stand this team right here. No one really likes this team, but it's vintage.
Wow.
That might be $100 right there, maybe. Let's see. Ooh, another Earnhardt, I think. Is this an Earnhardt?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it because they're vintage. Oh no, it's junior. That sucks. No, it doesn't suck. I'm not, don't get mad at me, guys, but it's just not the same. Jamaica, never been there yet. Come on, a couple more. Just a couple more, guys. A couple more bangers here. Let's get a plain white tee. We got that Bugle Boy. Pardon me, are those Bugle Boys you're wearing? I got really excited. Oh, wait a minute. Isn't this the guy across the way?
Carlo Racing, it is.
How much do you think Nick will pay for that?
Let me see it.
They have the muffler shop right across the way.
No way.
Yeah.
Million swipe and wipe boom. I like that just because it says swipe and wipe, right? Isn't that what I say on Whatnot? If you ain't swiping, you're wiping.
Oh, well.
Ooh, what's that? I can't read it.
If I don't, he's older.
What does it say, Michael?
Stars and Stripes.
Oh, okay, so just America?
No, it's at racing.
Okay. We got another one of these horses, which we had one already, so that's kind of cool. I'll set that aside for Whatnot. Come on, be something hidden in one of these bags or something. Facilities. Ooh, here we go. What's that?
His family.
Charm School of 1981. A little. Oh, it's all tax paperwork. We'll just set that aside. Okay. Got a couple cool patches here. Now I'm going to keep the other patch because I got a patch lock. And it looks like, ooh. Oil can. Oil can. We'll set that aside. And it looks like this box is pretty much a white. I didn't get a chance to go through this much, guys, because it looked weird. See, it's all moldy. But you also don't know, you know what I mean? Like, there could be a whole thing of silver in there or something. I think the best bet is to take the first bag off and go down here and see what we got.
It's our chance to go out.
Stanley Bostitch, what is that? Oh, T5 tacker, all right. I wouldn't mind finding another gap. Look.
Wooden hand card.
The little wooden guy that matches the other wooden guy. Now we got two wood. A nice rag.
What are you putting? Where here?
Oh, it can go in that box. That's perfect. It's just gonna go back in the.
Look at that. That's an old schooler.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that'll go in my shell lot right there. Health and Safety Department, very old patch. So looking like it's paper though so far. Ooh, here we go. A Monte, that's what it's from. A Monte.
Monte?
So he had a Monte Carlo?
Maybe, yeah. Monte Carlo, yeah.
That looks like a remake one though.
Or that might go on the newer one though. It's a newer Monte Carlo car. Money in the 70s, not 70s, but 90s.
There's shell refinement clothes.
Starting fluid, I might need that for this, huh? What, the phone? Yeah, Michael looked that up. It wasn't as impressive as we thought it would be, but
What's this caulking for? You don't use your toilet.
I don't think you use caulking on a toilet.
Yes, you do.
Tight.
Here we go. Come on.
Oh, no, yeah, it's in the front.
looking like we got a couple more shirts here, guys. Let's see if we got something good. I'm trying to watch out for little Spideys. But look, we got another DeCarlo Racing.
What up, Uncle Chris?
What's up, Piss Chris?
He must have liked them. We got.
Well, they're well known in Martinez.
Good.
We got. Ooh, here we go.
They've been around forever.
Kevin Harrick.
That's a good one.
That's kind of cool. We got Martinez Refining Company. I'm not impressed with that one. We'll take that one to the flea market. Dang, he must have really liked them.
Well, DeCarlo's been around forever. The dad's like 75.
Racing, that's tight.
They still race it right there in that corner.
Ooh, what we got here?
1-800
1-800-RADIATOR. #1. That's still cool, though. NASCAR 2003 unlawful something. It says something on there.
There's definitely words on it.
There's definitely words on it, guys. Let's see. Okay, those look like orange plain shirts. I'll take the vintage plain shirts to the flea market. Let them all have a crack at it. Shellapalooza 2005. Let's go. Let's see what's on this side here. Come on. Last chance for romance, I think. Nevada. Dang. Staff. That can go in the vintage hat lot.
Over here.
We got, ooh, what we got here? Got some vintage Giants. He was a bigger guy. He was definitely a bigger guy. We got another Shell shirt, Martinez Refinery. Here we go. What's this? California Speedway. I like that. I was praying overnight that this was gonna have like one more last good thing in it, and I'm not seeing it in here. Chili cook-off and barbecue. Check that out, Uncle Michael. When was the last time we had one of that? About then, huh? When the guy got stabbed at the marina? It was about the last time they called it that. There's 2 of them. You don't want to rock one of those, Uncle Michael? A little too big for you? Uncle Michael likes to wear his shirts a little too small, guys, so that's why I don't want those.
What do you say? Hey, I got a hold of her and I'll go down
He
and
likes
pick it
his
up.
shirts like 2 sizes too small.
I'll go down and pick it up.
Got a little love note, guys. I wish you were here with me now. I could sure use a big hug from you. I'm sorry also about Wednesday evening with my kids. It's just sometimes we play games that we don't understand. I was hurt that there comes a time, it's time to change times. New day. Hello, Chuck. It's 11. I just woke up and I had a few thoughts about you. They were not motel feelings. Good love and a sexy man. Very little sleep, but good love in the sheets. Ooh, this is getting tantalizing.
It's getting juicy.
Basie spent the night with me last night. She came across with a little of her charm and was sorry about what happened, so I expected Ronnie on the other hand, and still a something. Now back to you. I miss you. You can call me. If a man answers, don't hang up. This is getting deep, guys. If a man answers, don't hang up. Shoot, I ain't never calling you again if a man answers. You know what I mean? Like, we're done. Look at this. It's just like I told you, it's just like the TikTok guy. Look at this little thing, guys. We got a little bottle of champagne. You got, it looks like a little ring. Some soap and a condom. That's a weird little prepare for anything may arise while traveling in a car, hotel, and a motel. Let's check if we have any expensive fishing reels here. That's a Daiwa. That's probably not very much money. That's a Mitchell. We got a Super Skirk. We got an Angler's Choice. That's not money. These are all just looks like they're going to be flea markets, guys. I don't see any. This one I like right here, so I'll probably take the reel off of that one. I'm looking for those ugly sticks. I'm looking for the a Boo Garcia. That's it. I'm not seeing too much going on at the fishing reel. I'm going to sell these all at the flea market, basically. The moment of truth, guys, right here. This is an extension cord, and we're gonna put it inside of this clock. Actually, we're gonna put the plug. And you want to do the honors, Uncle Mike?
Yeah,
I'll be the cameraman. Gonna light him up like a Christmas tree.
Stupid.
We got Uncle Michael, the Christmas Santa elf guy here. I heard it do something. You hear that?
Something. Is it plugged in?
No, you hear it do. Careful.
Hold on.
See, I heard it do something.
Do something.
Did you? Maybe it has to warm up. This isn't going though.
You want to be careful. Well, now we have live electricity going.
Ooh. Look, there's a wire disconnected right here.
Don't. It's live. Steve, you want me to unplug it first?
No, I just moved those two there. Those are sealed, but there's a bare one right there.
It wants to work. Come on, baby. Sometimes you just gotta kick it a little bit, you know? It's not often you guys actually get to see sales. My friend's here. He's rebuilding. He's not rebuilding. He has classic cars, etc., etc. He wanted this piece because he actually has the vehicle that this sits on. And this right here he's going to use too. So he's going to actually pay somebody to rebuild all this. Some big money. But I'm giving him this for $300. And I threw in that for 20 bucks. I don't feel like toting around a Corvair head. And this I'm giving him for buying this clock right here. You see it didn't work. We see it could sell for $3,500. I'm not a restore guy. I'm selling him this for $1,000 right here. So you guys are seeing that right there. That is a $1,300 sale out of this storage unit. On top of that, I sold him the Kraken. I had this in the back of there. He's actually didn't sell it. That he's doing some work. He's gonna fix the blemish I put in Black Booty. If you guys remember that little tiny hole I put on the top of the roof, he's gonna weld that, paint it, polish it, and fix. You have to paint the whole door frame of the Black Booty, which is not an easy job. And he is a professional painter. He's a welder, Tesla, etc., etc. So I know it's gonna be done right, like an auto body shop. What kind of car you got that you're gonna put all this on?
It's gonna be a 1954 Chevy convertible Bel Air.
Can you send me a photo that I can put right here? And then I'll put it in the video. He's gonna put this and you don't need that part, you're just upgrading. That's why you wanted that?
Yeah, well, that is, this is an accessory.
I mean, not this, but the carburetor thing.
Oh, the carburetor, yeah, that's almost like an accessory because it's a 3-carb and they only came with a single carb.
You have one on your car now?
I have one on my car now, but it's only single. So that's gonna be like an upgrade to make more horsepower with the 3 carbs. Okay. So it's kind of like, you know, a little bonus.
All right, that's awesome.
Yeah, definitely, yeah, and especially with the Oakland.
He'll fix that up, guys. Professional welder. I'm gonna show you guys what he does to my truck next week.
And then I'll show you how this comes out too.
You're gonna.
Where I get it re-chromed.
You don't do that yourself?
No, I wish.
So guys, I just a little update. These hats all right here, and this shirt belong to the guy across the way from me. He actually has a racing team. Let me just show you some. Let me just show you what. It says heaven. See how it says 17 right there? That's the actual car that's on the hat because it's this racing company. There's always a lot of skepticism in every storage I buy. I don't do this for the views, I do it for the passion, and it takes a certain type of storage to even thrill me. Many said that this wasn't gonna make any money. I sold probably over $2,000 just in a period of 2 whatnot shows, equaling about 3 hours, which isn't bad. We sold the clock for $1,000, another $300 in car parts, and then a little bit of money at the flea market, and that to me is a win. I actually have stuff to put on eBay, and I get a free ATV. We learned a lot about this person. My friend knew him. It turns out the gentleman passed away. It's very sad, but those are the storages I chase because there's less personal attachment. I gave him his racing hats because I thought he would enjoy that. And that's a wrap on this storage. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and say something pretty. Oh yeah, and guess what? We're about to go pick up some bangers. Big videos coming. I'm talking something you ain't never seen before.